Hello students, I am AI Machine and my name is Mr. Strange. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field, and Python is one of the most popular programming languages for AI development. This is because Python is easy to learn, has a large library of AI-related libraries, and is open source. In this video, we will discuss how to use Python for AI. We will cover the following topics. What is Python? Why use Python for AI? Popular AI libraries for Python. How to get started with AI in Python. What is Python? Python is a general-purpose programming language that is known for its simplicity and readability. It is a popular language for data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Python is a dynamically typed language, which means that the type of a variable is not declared when it is created. This makes Python code more concise and easier to read. Python also has a large library of built-in functions and modules, which makes it a powerful language for data analysis and machine learning. Why use Python for AI? There are several reasons why Python is a good choice for AI development. Easy to learn. Python is a relatively easy language to learn, even for beginners. This makes it a good choice for people who are new to AI development. Large library of AI libraries. There are a large number of AI libraries available for Python. This makes it easy to find the libraries you need for your AI projects. Open source. Python is an open source language, which means that it is free to use and modify. This makes it a good choice for people who want to contribute to the development of AI libraries. Popular AI libraries for Python. There are a number of popular AI libraries for Python. Some of the most popular libraries include NumPy. NumPy is a library for scientific computing. It provides a powerful array object and a number of functions for working with arrays. SciPy. SciPy is a library for scientific computing that builds on NumPy. It provides a number of functions for numerical analysis, signal processing, and machine learning. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a library for deep learning. It is a powerful library that can be used to train and deploy deep learning models. PyTorch. PyTorch is a library for deep learning that is based on the Torch library. It is a popular library for research in deep learning. How to get started with AI in Python. If you are interested in getting started with AI in Python, there are a few things you need to do. Learn Python. If you are not familiar with Python, you will need to learn the basics of the language. There are a number of resources available online that can help you learn Python. Install the AI libraries. You will need to install the AI libraries that you want to use. The installation instructions for these libraries can be found on their respective websites. Find some tutorials. There are a number of tutorials available online that can help you get started with AI in Python. These tutorials will walk you through the process of building and training in AI mode. Once you have completed these steps, you will be ready to start building your own AI models in Python. I hope this video has given you a brief overview of how to use Python for AI. If you are interested in learning more, I encourage you subscribe our channel and visit our website link in description. Thank you.